Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Alight Motion on your PC in 2025. Let's get started. First, head over to the Microsoft Store and search for Alight Motion in the search bar. In some regions, you'll find Alight Motion available directly there. Just type it in the search bar, and if it shows up, you can download it straight away. But if you don't see it listed in your Microsoft Store, don't worry, I've got you covered with another method. Open your browser and search for Alight Motion. Go to the official website at alightmotion.com where you may be able to find the download option. If that still doesn't work, the best alternative is to use an Android emulator like BlueStacks. This allows you to run Android apps directly on your PC. Simply download BlueStacks, install it, and then use it to install Alight Motion just like you would on your phone. And that's it. With these methods, you'll be able to get Alight Motion running on your PC quickly and easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video for more guides, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.